Silver dealer uses AI to predict silver price, and he's 100% right. I just got back from my local coin shop, and my dealer told me about this. Look, this sounds weird. A silver dealer using AI predict the future silver price, but supposedly it's always right. Let's look into this. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month's winner never claimed his prize. We've got 20 silver eagles just sitting here with no home to go to. Don't be that guy. Click that link I left down below. Be the next winner on that list and take home that silver. Now, look at this. Let's look into this, because if it's possible, if AI could predict silver price, then I'm all in. The power of AI is that it could scan decades of silver price history. It could scan decades of economic data, mining reports, way faster than any person could ever imagine. And it doesn't get bored. It doesn't miss small cycles. It can recognize repeating patterns that might only show up every few years. And that means when the AI says this setup has happened 5 times before and silver moved up each time, it's not guessing. It's calling out a pattern that humans could miss. Look at this. In an academic study, deep learning models called TCN, deep learning models achieved significantly better accuracy in forecasting daily silver prices than older models, beating approaches like random forest, SVR, and KNN in terms of error metrics. So, in plain English, this dealer's claim that AI can see what humans don't has real backing. And that's how they might argue their predictions are more reliable than gut feeling or I've been in this game for 20 years, listen to my experience. This isn't just about history. The AI isn't staring at old charts. It's watching real-time indicators that actually drive silver price moves. And that's what's gotten me excited about AI. We're talking about things like bond yields, inflation data, mining production, COMEX inventory, even big economic news coming out. Some advanced AI models even combine text analysis of economic news like headlines, thumbnails, corporate reports. And it does it in seconds. It's beyond human understanding. In a recent research paper, a hybrid AI model combining historical price data with semantic embeddings from decades of global economic news achieved an overall accuracy, listen to this, of 0.91 in forecasting commodity price shocks. That means when the AI spots a density of signals, say weak industrial output and inflation rising and mining cuts, it might confidently call a big silver move before most humans realize what's happening. This is what we have to understand. Before you and I as stackers or dealers even act on these predictions, the AI has already stress tested them. It runs back tests. It says, what if this goes wrong, or this goes wrong, or this goes wrong? Points that we could never come up with so quickly and really in real time. I think that's a difference between how we see technology and how technology is running today. It's all happening in real time, faster than we could ever imagine. Look at this. Academic research on precious metals forecasting shows machine learning systems using 20 years of daily data, 20 years. It can make predictions about metals like silver with strong performance using regression, using Bollinger Bands, other algorithmic strategies. So my dealer telling this to me, that he has a colleague of his using AI that can predict where the price of silver is going, it's really not as shocking as it sounds. And this is something that we cannot ignore. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring the challenge. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles. 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.